excited to show you guys Bobby Bead's new pick and go make section. So this is how it works. You pick out your beads based on the predetermined amount, whether you're doing a stretchy bracelet or necklace with chain or all stretch. So once you pick out your beads, you'll get a bag for them from the staff members, and you'll also get your elastic stretchy string or a chain with it if you pick that. Need a bracelet to go with your new killer necklace or just for solo? We have pricing options for those too. Now that you've got your pick and go make and you're looking for a little something extra and unique, you can come over to this big section full of tons of charms to make your own special one. Here's one that I made. Get your cutter, get your wire, and all the supplies you want to make your own charm, and bring it up to the counter. Don't got the tools to manipulate your wire? We've got you covered. Hopefully you can see now how easy it is to make your own jewelry for yourself, friends, family, or even your own mini business. Thanks for coming with me to explore the new pick and go make section at Bobby Bead. I'm Olivia, and we hope to see you here.